In this tutorial, we're excited to demonstrate how you can enhance the visual quality of your video to achieve that impressive 4K appearance. Insert the video into CapCut. Click on Adjust and follow these steps. Go to Graphs and adjust the parameters as desired. Add the blur effect and set it to 100%. Go to Export. Go back and remove the blur effect and the first adjust. Insert the exported video over the overlay. Go to Splice and set the burn effect to 52. Add a white image over the overlay. Then splice and finally overlay it with 69% opacity. Adjust the parameters to Contrast 27, Saturation 30, Sharpness 100, Shadow 12. If you found the video helpful, we'd greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating content like this. Thank you.